Today we will do question answers of chapter number 4. Chapter name is Programming through QBasic. Before starting the question answer, first we will do exercise of this chapter. Here you will mark exercise in your book. First is, which of the following is used to take decision in program? Answer is if then else. Correct answer is if then else. Mark this. Which of the following is used to check more than one condition or test expression? Answer is else if. More than one condition. More than condition means जब आपके पास एक से ज्यादा condition होती है, so you have to write else if. Then which of the following is used to transfer the control of program to a specific level or line number? For that we have go to command. Then which of the following operator evaluates opposite to what is returned by the test expression? Answer is not operator. Answer is not operator. Evaluates opposite to what? If you are giving true input, the answer is false. If you are giving false input, answer is true. Okay? So here you have to write answer not operator. If all the multiple checks are true with AND operator, then it returns true. If all the multiple checks are true, यदि एक से ज्यादा multiple checks हमारे true होते हैं, तो AND return answer क्या करता है? True देता है. मतलब all the multiple checks means if first condition as well as second condition both are true, then answer of AND operator gives true. If first condition, second condition, third condition, and all the conditions are true, then result is true. So in this case, correct answer is true. Then second one, fill in the blanks. Dash is used to increment, decrement the counter in for next loop. Answer is step value. Step value, STEP, step value, VALUE. Value. For next loop में हमारे पास step value होती थी. Through this we can increment or decrement the value of counter. Answer is step value. Next is dash is executed till the test condition is true. Answer is do while loop. Do while loop will execute till the test condition is true. Then third one, dash is executed till the test condition is false. Answer is do until loop. Answer is do until loop. Do until loop is executed till the test condition is false. Next, dash returns true if any one of the multiple checks evaluates true. Answer is or operator returns true. इसमें और ऑपरेटर हमारा आंसर ट्रू देगा जब कोई भी एक या सारी कंडीशन हमारी क्या हो ट्रू हो. टू चेक मोर देन वन कंडीशन, एल इफ इज यूज. जब एक से ज्यादा कंडीशन होती है तो उस टाइम पर एल्स इफ का यूज किया जाता है. ELSEIF इफ, एल्स इफ. ये हमने यहाँ भी पढ़ा था. यहाँ देखो, इट इज यूज्ड टू चेक मोर देन वन कंडीशन. एक से ज्यादा कंडीशन के लिए भी हमारे पास क्या आता है एल्स इफ आता है. क्लियर? तो एल्स इफ कम्स इन ट्रू फॉल्स एज वेल एज MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड फिलर्स. दोनों में ये क्वेश्चन सेम है. नाउ ट्रू फॉल्स. राइट T for true and F for false. Next is used with do while loop. False. Answer is false because next का यूज कब होता है? जब आप for next loop का यूज करते हो. For next loop के साथ next लगता है, ना कि do while loop के साथ. तो आंसर ऑफ दिस इज false. F लिख देना यहाँ पर. Then exit statement is used to come out from the loop. लूप से बाहर आने के लिए we use exit statement. Yes, true. Go to statement transfer the control of program to anywhere. Answer is false. Then not operator returns false if check evaluates true. Answer is true. Do when is similar to do until loop. False. क्योंकि do when कुछ होता ही नहीं है. Do while loop होता है या while when होता है. ठीक है. Answer is false. Next, logical boolean operator match the column A with column B. Logical boolean operator match with and this one E. So here you have to write numbers. Number लिख लो आप 4 3 2 5 1. 4 3 2 5 1 means logical boolean operator. Answer is AND operator. Exit, come out of loop. While when, similar to do loop. Nested loop, loop within another loop, or repetition of statement is called looping. Very short answer type questions. First question is, it returns true if any one of the test condition or expression is true. Answer is, क्या होगा आंसर इसका बताओ?
or operation.
Very good. Or operator. Or operator. Answer of this is written here in the, let us recall. Look here. Or operator. It returns true if any one of the given condition evaluates true. Clear हो गया? Answer is this, or operator. Very good. Then second question, it is also called conditional statement or checks. Answer of this is, बताओ बेटा. It is also called conditional statement or checks. Conditional statement किसको बोलते हैं हम? बताओ जल्दी.
Sir, if then else.
Very good, very good. Answer is if then else statement. It is also called conditional statement checks. Answer is if then else. Answer of second question is if then else. Third is, it is used to come out from the loop before executing the number of steps. Come out from the loop.
Exit command.
Very good. Answer is exit command. Exit command is used to come out from the loop before executing the number of steps. Very good. Answer is exit command. Last question. These statements need to execute number of times while execution of a program. These statements need to execute number of times while execution of a program. Answer is, anybody knows?
Sir, loop.
Answer is for next loop. Loop तो ठीक है बेटा, लेकिन loop में for next loop. Look here. For next loop में लिखो, this loop is used, we need to execute a loop to a specified number of times. मतलब जिसमें number of times हमें दिया होता है, उस टाइम पर हम for next loop का यूज करते हैं. यहाँ लिखा भी है देखो, the statement need to execute number of times during the execution of program. ठीक है, तो जो ये स्टेटमेंट है कौन सा, for next loop वाली. ठीक है, इसका यूज क्या के लिए करते हैं, to exclude number of times during the execution of program. Clear? Answer is for next loop. Next is short answer type questions. First question is, what do you mean by AND operator? What do you mean by AND operator? Answer is
Sir, it returns true when all conditions given is true, otherwise return false.
very good. Answer of this question is given on page number 53. Page number 53. Let us recall. Heading is AND operator. AND operator, it returns true when all the condition given with it evaluates true, otherwise returns false. This is the answer of first question in short answer. Next question is, what is function of goto statement?
It is used to transfer the control of program to a specific number line or label. The label name or line number needs to be specified along with the goto statement.
Very good. Again, this is given in the let us recall page number 53. Second point, goto statement. I highlighted this. It is used to transfer the control of program to a specific line number or label. The label or line number need to specify along with the goto statement. Next question, what is looping?
The repetition of statement is known as loop.
Yes, the repetition or statement is known as loop. This is given on page number. Anybody knows page number? No. Page number is not defined here. Question है, what is looping? So answer you have to write. Repetition of a statement is known as looping. You write from here. Repetition of statement is known as looping. Is known as looping. Repetition of statement is known as looping. Next is differentiate between do while and do until loop.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, in do while it get executed till the test condition is true, and do until loop it get executed till the test condition is false and exists while it come true.
Yes. Again, page number 53. Let us recall both the points you get here. Do while loop and do until loop. Do while loop gets executed till the test condition is true, and do until loop gets executed till the test condition is false and exit when it becomes true. Next question. What is the function of next in the for next loop?
Sir, this loop is used to when we need to execute a loop specific number of times. That counter variable is used with this loop to, that is increment or decrement with each other iteration of the loop.
Where it is written?
Sir, for next loop. Sir, page number 48.
Yes, page number 48. Yes, very good. Question is, what do you mean by next? Question is our, what is the function of next in the for next loop? Answer number 5 is, for next loop is used when we need to execute a loop to a specific number of times. Here, next is used to move our counter variable to next step. मतलब जो next variable होता है, जो next होता है, उसका use काय के लिए होता है? To move our counter variable. काउंटर वेरिएबल को मूव कराने में, कहां पर मूव कराएगा? नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मूव कराएगा। जैसे कि आप एग्जांपल देख सकते हो, लुक दिस एग्जांपल। जैसे यहाँ लिखा है, देखो, फॉर a इक्वल टू 10 to 2 स्टेप -2। तो फर्स्ट टाइम द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 10, फर्स्ट टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 10, 10 a की वैल्यू आ गई, प्रिंट a, दैट मीन्स 10 प्रिंट हो गया। अब लिखा है नेक्स्ट a। देखो जो a है हमारा वो क्या है? a इज अवर काउंटर वेरिएबल, a इज अवर काउंटर वेरिएबल, इट विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप। अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप कौन सा होगा? जो स्टेप की वैल्यू क्या है? -2, दैट मीन्स 10 - 2, अब कितना हो जाएगा? 8। तो अगली वैल्यू हमारी क्या आ जाएगी? 8 आ जाएगी। तो 8 कम्स इन बिटवीन 10 to 2, यस, प्रिंट नेक्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ a, दैट मीन्स 8। फिर लिखा है नेक्स्ट a, तो नेक्स्ट क्या कर रहा है? बार बार मूव करवा रहा है हमारा काउंटर वेरिएबल को टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप। नेक्स्ट स्टेप मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेप वैल्यू। अब स्टेप वैल्यू क्या दे रखी है? -2 दे रखी है, तो हम बार बार 2 का डिक्रीमेंट करेंगे। सो दिस इज द आंसर नंबर 5 of short answer type question. Now short answer type questions are over. Is it clear? If you not written, please write this answer. This is the answer number 5 in short answer type questions. Long answer type questions. First is, what are logical Boolean operator? It is given on page number logical
47.
47.
47.
Wait a minute. 47. Now, this is logical Boolean operator. So these operators are used to combine multiple condition along with mathematical and relational operator. These are 3 types of logical Boolean operators. You have to write name also. AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Clear? And you have to draw these 3 tables with these headings. AND operator, when you write AND operator, make this table. OR operator, make another table. Or NOT operator, make this third one table. In the case of AND or NOT, you have to draw tables also. Then, what is do loop? Page number 'Yes, do loop. Do loop has 2 parts in QBasic. One is do while loop and second one is do until loop. So first you define do while loop. Do while loop is executed till the test condition is true. This much you have to write. Do while is used to is executed till the test condition is true. Syntax you have to write. do while, test condition, statement and loop. यहाँ तक लिखना आप. Then next heading, do until loop. Do until loop. Last line you have to write, do until loop is executed till the test condition specified is false. जब condition हमारी क्या होगी, false होगी, तो ये चलेगा do until loop. And syntax of this you have to write. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Means first you define there are two types of do loop. One is do while and second one is do until. Okay. Then you have to write definition of do while loop and its syntax. Similarly, do until loop and its syntax. Then next is define while when loop with example.
Sir, page number 52.
Yes, page number 52. Very good. While when loop, your command continue a loop until a specific. While when command continue a loop until a specified expression is false, and then you have to write syntax with example. Because question says that define while when loop with example. Example के साथ define करना है, so you have to write this example number 14 also. First you write definition, then its syntax, and then example. Clear?